how to download and install Roblox in Windows 11. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can download and install Roblox in Windows 11. So the first thing that you can do is open any web browser of your choice, like I've opened Google Chrome, and then from here type in Roblox download. Once you've typed in, you can see the website that is roblox.com. Click onto Roblox download from here, and then from here you can click onto this download Windows app. Now, once you'll do this, you can see that the installer is being downloaded, and once it has been successfully downloaded, you can click onto this open button. Now, this will open or launch the installer, and once the installer gets launched, it might download more files according to its requirement. And here you can see the status using this white progress bar. Now, once this white progress bar finishes downloading all of the required necessary files, it will attempt to install the Roblox application in your Windows 11 computer system as well. So let's be patient and let's wait for this downloading and installation process to finish. And here you can see once the Roblox has been successfully installed, you can simply sign in or create an account according to your preference. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.